Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on creating stunning 3D AI images of your name for free. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, open up a web browser. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Image Creator. Click on the first link that you see. Here in the text box, type in the prompt that you've prepared. Then tap on the Create button. Similarly, you can create even better images by simply editing the prompt. Then tap on the Create button once again. Now tap on the image to preview it. And if you'd like to download this image, then tap on the 3 horizontal dots in the right hand side of your screen. Then click on the download option. So that is how you can create 3D AI images for free. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.